Good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Online. Online. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Yes. Let's start. Good evening, Sharath, Afzal. Good evening, Ajit Kumar. Right, guys. So yesterday, good evening, Prashanti. Yes, guys. So yesterday, Abhijit. Good evening, Chinmay. Good evening. Right. Can we start? So we need to discuss about sort command. Right? Sort, set, and find. Those three commands we'll discuss, right? And after that, we'll start man command. How to identify the manual pager related to particular resource, right? So let's start sort, SWOT, sort command. Sort means to sort the content of our file. Guys, in output itself only, not into your original file content. Just it is going to sort the content on output. That's it. While you're trying to executing the command, what you're going to get the output in that output itself only, it is going to sort. It is not going to change the original file content, right? So let's start. So first of all, we'll create one file with cat, with VIM editor, whatever if you want, you can use, right? Okay, so let's see, guys. Yeah. Guys, better to log in as a root user, right? Okay. So now we are trying to creating one file with the help of VI or VIM, whatever if you want you can use. We are creating one file called file1. So inside this file1, we are writing ABCDs, but not into assigning order. Right, guys? So like this, we are going to write. Right, guys? How to save the file? Yes, how we need to save the file content? :WQ, right? We created one file inside the root user's home directory with root user, right? So if you want to can check the list, we'll have file1, right? How we need to print the content of the file? Yes, guys. So cat is a command, right? File1 is a file name. So we are going to get the file content ABCDs, but it's not into assigning order. Okay. So we need to print this file, the file content into assigning order. Sort is a command. Sort is a command, then hit enter. Sort file name. See, guys. It is going to print the file content in assigning order. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, like this. Right? Sort hyphen R, file name, reverse, designing order. I hope you got it, guys. Guys, huh? What happened? Why you are sit like there? So we'll have n number of the like chairs here. Huh? ఇక్కడ నుంచి వ్యూ బాగుంటుందా? Right. Now it's okay. So sort hyphen R is an option. It will print into designing order, right? Reverse. Right. So now we are trying to adding some content inside this file, few duplicates, right, guys? For example, 2A's, 2D's, 2F, then 2E's, right? Duplicates we are trying to creating, right? So 2I's, right? Like this, we are trying to creating the duplicates. So now sort file 1 along with the duplicate, it will print the file content in assigning order. Now we need to avoid the duplicates. We need to avoid the duplicates. Right, guys? So how to avoid the duplicates? Sort hyphen U is option. Then file 1. It will avoid the duplicates. Guys, it is not going to reflect into the file, original file content. It will reflect only in output, that's it. Got it, guys? Clear? Yes, no? So this is all about sort. So for example, guys, you can use filter command with any command with combination. It may be less, it may be more, it may be sort. So it is going to sort. I hope you got it, guys. Output we can able to sort. Clear? Right. Next, set. Set full form Steam editor. Set Steam editor for filtering and transforming text, means find and replace. Already we done into VIM editor. We find the words and we replace with another word. So in Windows, in Word document, in Word, MS Word will have find and replace. Like the same way, we are going to use set command. Guys, set is a very, very important command in real time. So here 2 to 3 syntaxes I will teach you, right? After completing the demos, I'll share the Google Drive link, right? In that link, you'll have the n number of the syntaxes with example with short description. You can do your own. How we need to perform, how we need to execute the set command, now I will teach you, right? Practice, because set it's a bit important in real time, especially in Linux. Got it? So because of that reason, we'll have the multiple examples. I'll share one file to you peoples, right? So according to that, you can do the practical session. Got it, guys? Multiple examples will have and with short description. Clearly you'll have. So example and what is the use of this example. Got it, guys? Short description. Right. So to perform set command, we need one file. The file should have the content. Right, guys? Catch is a command, space, file name, for example, file 2. Now we are writing as usually routine dialog. This is a Linux class, right? Linux is a open source operating system. Linux is a POSIX operating system, and Linux is a clone of UNIX. Hit enter, Control D to save the file. Got it, guys? Inside the file too, we'll have 3 lines. First line, this is a Linux class. Second line, Linux is an open source operating system. Third line, Linux is a POSIX operating system. And Linux is a clone of Unix. Right? So now what we are doing in the sense, how we need to print the content of the file? Cat is a command. File2 is a file name. It will print the content of the file, original file content. Now, our intention is we are trying to modifying the Linux word with Windows. Find and replace. Already we did into VIM editor while we are discussing at the time. Like the same way here, we are going to use set command. Set, open the single quotes, S. To search the word Linux, we need to search the word called Linux. We are trying replacing with Windows. /1 single quotes. And finally, you need to provide the file name called file2. Got it, guys? See, guys, I'll tell you, right? So this is a Windows class. Actually, this is not a Windows class. This is a Linux class. We replace with Windows. Sorry, Linux word we replace with Windows. Windows is open source. No, guys. Windows, it's not open source, right? And Windows is a POSIX. No. So this is a very weight operating system. It's not a portable operating system. So, but here, see, Linux is a clone of Unix only will have. This word, it didn't replace. Why? Because of 1. If you're providing 1, it will replace only first word from your file content. Only first Linux word. If you're having 2 Linux words, it will replace only first. It is not going to replace second word, right? Next. Now, if you're providing 2, only it will replace second word, not first word. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Now we need to replace all. G, globally. So global. So globally, we are going to replace everything. All the Linux boards we replace with Windows. Okay, guys, but original file data only. We doesn't have any changes into original file. Only in output, those changes, it will happen. Now you need to copy this output into another file. Simple, guys. Same command, use greater than, for example, file3. Then let's check the list. File3, it got created automatically. Let's check the content of file3. See, guys, I hope you got it. So we can able to redirect the output to the file. Exactly what is redirection, I will teach you after some time or otherwise on Monday. If we have the time, now only we are going to discuss. Otherwise, we are going to discuss on Monday. Clear, guys? I hope you're clear. How we need to find and replace the words using set command. Steam editor. Like this examples, multiple examples I'll provide you. You can do your own. It's not a big deal. You'll have the clear example and with short description. Right, guys? Good. Next. This one said. I'll tell you. Don't worry. Man command next I'm going to teach you. Okay. Give me some time. Let it finish. I'll tell you. Don't worry. Okay. So let's see guys here. Find command. Find. Okay. Right guys. You know very well about find command. For example, coming to Windows, maybe you created one file. You copied one file before 2 months. You didn't remember where did you copy it, right? Then how you are going to get your file? With the help of search. In search, we are going to search the file with the help of name. Like the same way coming to Linux, we have find command. Using find command, we are going to search the files from our operating system. Got it, guys? So find syntax. Find space search location where we need to search. From where? It may be dev, it may be etc, it may be usr, any directory can give. Here we are providing forward slash. Forward slash means entire operating system. Got it? It's not like this. You need to provide forward slash. Maybe if you're having some idea, so you created so and so directory, so and so file into so and so directory like that, then provide the directory directly there and then you can search. But we are providing forward slash. Forward slash means entire operating system. Got it, guys? So find space forward slash hyphen name is an option. Option, what it will do? It will change the behavior of the command, right? So usually we are providing one option called name. We are trying to searching the file with name. I hope you got it. So you have created few files maybe 2 months before. So you don't know where did you create it. Okay. You'll have the huge content, but you remember the file name. With the help of that file name, we can able to search the files from operating system. Got it, guys? So name is an option to search the file with name. For example, we are trying to providing file 1. Then hit enter. So do you have file 1, guys? So still it is searching because we provided forward slash. It is going to search from entire operating system, right? There is no file 1. We have capital letter file 1, right? Clear, guys? Where it got located? Inside the root. So with the help of name, we can able to search the files. Find forward slash hyphen I number. We can able to search the files with the help of inode number also. How to know the inode number, guys? ls hyphen I is a option. So each and every file inode number we got. Then we are trying to searching the file with inode number. inum is option. We are providing one inode number. Right, guys? Then hit enter. See, guys, this is Anaconda's inode number. So Anaconda means snake. Huh? Snake movie, Anaconda, no, right? Anaconda is a installer. Anaconda is a installer in Red Hat. Anaconda hyphen ks.conf. KS means kickstart file. To configure the kickstart server, we are going to use this configuration file. Right, guys? Clear? So, inum is an option. So, with the help of inode number, we can able to find the file. Guys, don't bother about this. Permission denied, those all errors. Right? No need to bother. Right? Next, find space hyphen type, guys. Find space / space hyphen type. We are trying to finding the files with type. I hope you got it, guys. With type. For example, we need to find block files. B. You're going to get the block files. So from here to here, it's output, and this is error. How many block files will have? DM2, DM1, DM0, SR0, SDA2, SDA1, SDA, and those all the block files will have. I hope you're clear, guys. Right? Okay. So find space hyphen type. C means character files will get. See, if you're providing D, directories you're going to get. How many directories will have into your operating system? Entire total directories it will find. And then find type. How to find the files? Which application or app you are using? What application, what app? Harshita, I'm unable to understand what you are asking. F, very good, Chenmai. F is option, don't give hyphen. Got it? Don't give hyphen. If you're providing hyphen, you're going to get error. So we need to provide F. Then you're going to get the files. Continuously you will get. You need to stop this. Control C. Using Control C. I am unable to understand which app, which application means. I'm using Linux operating system. Got it. Guys, really, I don't know. So many peoples that doesn't have the knowledge, what is application, what is operating system, and those all stuff. Application is a different. So because of that reason, I have given the very clear information the day one itself only. What is operating system? How many types of operating systems will have, right? Harshita, please try to watch previous session videos. Then you can able to understand what is application and what is operating system and those all stuff. Right? So guys, better to attend the previous videos, while if you are trying to attending the new sessions from now onwards, better to attend previous videos then attend the session. Then only you can able to understand. Otherwise, it's bit difficult. I understand, Harshita. No issues, no issues, ma. Harshit, okay. Not Harshita, okay. Harshit, okay. No issues. Please try to get the videos, previous videos, and then watch that video, right? Then you can able to understand, right? So clearly, Harshit, okay. A we don't have, okay. So clear, right? So this is your first session, right? Harshit got, right? All right, guys. So let's see here. We are try to executing find command. I hope you're clear how we need to find the files with type. Guys, if you want, you can give L also, link files also you can find using type. Okay. So now we are trying to searching the file with size. With size. For example, we need 10K files, 10 KB files, 10 KB, 10K is enough. Then hit enter. 10 KB files you are going to get, all 10 KB files. We need more than 10 KB files. Plus 10K, you are going to get more than 10 KB files. So we need less than 10 KB files. Then minus, right guys? Minus. I hope you got it, guys. So size is an option with the help of size option, right? Using size option, we can able to find the files with size. So clear, guys? Good. Then find is a command /user -user. Student is a username we are providing. Now student user accessible files we can able to find. How many files student user he can able to access, those files we can able to find. Got it, guys? Then hit enter. So those all the files student user he can able to access, right? And we have one more option called group. Group is an option, right? So student group related files we are going to find. Guys, the day one itself only we discuss while we are try to creating the user account, automatically group also it will create primary group. So if you are try to creating the user call student while you are try to installing the operating system, automatically student group also it will create. Okay. So at present, this is a new operating system, right? Before only we installed, right? Before 4 days only we got installed here, right? So here we doesn't have any users. We have only two users, root and student user. And we doesn't have the groups also, right? So because of that reason, so we are providing group name also student. Because while you're trying to creating the user account, automatically primary group it will create. So student user will have student primary group it will create. If you try to creating U1 user, U1 primary group it will create. I hope you got it, guys. So because of that reason, instead of providing the new group names, and I'm using student group name. So clear, guys, how we need to find out the, okay. So I will tell you what is group and those all stuff. Don't worry. So really you don't know what is group? Group of peoples, man. And in WhatsApp we'll have the groups, right? Why you are going to create the groups in WhatsApp? Same like here also. Group means group only. Group of people, right? For broadcasting. What broadcasting? Don't think too much in my. Okay. We'll discuss about broadcasting and those all stuff. Not now. Okay. So clear? Right. So this is all about find command. Clear, guys? Now we are going to start man. That guy he asked to me, sir, what is man? Now we are going to discuss. Please focus on it, because with the help of man command, each and every nodes, means each and every resources related nodes, examples, everything we are going to get. Usually, so if you need to know the details, if you need to know the details of particular command, usually people they are going to Google. That's it, na guys. We have only one option, Google. Nowadays, Chat GPT also will have. Okay, not one option, two options will have now, right? Clear, guys? No need to bother about Google. Each and every information we are going to get from our operating system itself. More than that, Google also it is unable to provide. Clear? Right. So simple man. I'll simplify exactly what is man. Man, full form, manual pager, manual page, manual pager, manual page, whatever if you want to can say. Simple. You're trying to purchasing few products into your home. Okay. For example, we purchase television, smart television, and we purchase smart washing machine. We purchase smart AC, right? Got it, guys? So we purchase smart television, smart AC, right? And we purchase everything smart products only. Smart mobile, huh? Right, guys? So if you purchase the product, right? Because you people are very smart, right? So got it, guys? So if you purchase the product, it's a new product. You don't know how to use. We purchase one smart television, man. We don't know what kind of options we'll have into the television. So we need to enjoy the features, right? Then how you're going to enjoy the features? How you're going to know those features? Okay, Google. Okay, Alexa. Huh? Open the Netflix. Open the Amazon Prime. Huh? Like those features will have. We need to deploy and we need to utilize. Very good. Observe. So usually along with the product, we are going to get manual book, user manual. So if you purchase the washing machine, you are going to get the washing machine's user manual. So we need to follow a few precautions. Then only we are going to get the warranty like this. People, they are going to so inform to us. So we should follow a few precautions with the help of that manual book. We are going to follow those precautions, how to utilize, how to use, how much water we need to pour and those all stuff. How much water means automatically it is going to get the water. Okay. No need to bother about that. So got it, guys. Right. And then we'll have smart AC. Automatically, according to our environment, nowadays, they're trying to maintaining the temperature. If you need heater come AC, both will have nowadays. So if you need like heat, automatically it is going to convert, it is going to provide the heat air. If you need cool air, it is going to provide the cool air. Then how we need to utilize those all the products with the help of manual page. I hope you got it. Also manual page of our resources. How many resources will have into your operating system? A number of the resources will have. Resources means it may be files, it may be directories, it may be printers, it may be commands, it may be configuration files. Different types of resources will have into our operating system. Got it, guys? Now, each and every resource, manual, book will have into our operating system itself only. Cat command, manual book, we are going to get from our operating system using man command. ls command, manual book, using man command, we are going to get the ls command manual book. Guys, man command also having the manual book. That's it now. How to use the man command we should know properly. Because of that reason, we are watching man command manual book only. Right? How we need to get the man command manual book? Right. Okay. So man space man. Got it, guys? Not man space woman, man space man. Right? So man is a command. We are going to get the manual book for man command. I hope you got it, guys, right? Then hit enter. Then hit enter. See, what is the use of man command? An interface to the online reference manual. So those all the options will have. See, small description will have here. And guys, coming to here, this man page, it got divided into 9 sessions. Usually in our operating system, we'll have the number of the resources. All the resources related to manual page, if you are try to keeping into one book, then what will happen? It's a bit difficult to us to find. For example, in our home, we'll have smart washing machine, smart television, and smart AC, right? Smart refrigerator. So 4 to 5 products we'll have, guys. Okay. So those all the 4 to 5 products related manual page, if they're try to keeping into one book, what will happen? For us, it's bit difficult to search the proper product manual page. So because of that reason, smart washing machine, one manual book, television, one manual book, AC, one manual book, refrigerator, one manual book, some different kind of like, so gadgets will have mobile phones. So different gadgets having different manual pages, manual books. Like the same way, we'll have the n number of the resources into our operating system. Those all the resources manual pages, they got divided into 9 sessions. Session number 1, executable programs are shell programs. Simply, we can say normal user executable commands. Normal user executable commands related manual book, how we are going to get? With the help of session number 1. Man 1 ls, man 1 cat, man 1 mkdir, man 1 rm. I hope you got it, guys. 1 is a session ID for normal user executable commands. Normal users like student. Maybe if you're trying to creating U1 to users, those all the users, all normal users, so they can able to execute only session number 1 commands. That's it. Session number 1, executable programs are shell programs. Simply remember session number 1 for normal user executable commands. Session number 2, system calls, functions provided by the kernel, system calls. One small example we'll discuss. Right, guys? Assume this, I'm a kernel, right? I'm a faculty, I'm a kernel, I'm teaching Linux class for you, right? So while I'm trying to teaching the session, at the time, one guy, he came to me, then he's asking one doubt, right, guys? So while I'm trying to explaining the doubt, in between, one more guy, he came to me, he's asking some different doubt. As a human, can I able to provide the answer for both the peoples? No, right? So then what I need to do? I need to inform to the second person, boss, go and sit. Then one guy, he came to me and then I'm trying to explaining the answer for him. After completing this, I'll call you. Means I am returning the process to him. Then after completing the current process, automatically I'm going to call to that particular person, second person. Okay, like this in our operating system, it will happen. That is called syscall, system call. System call related session ID is 2. 3. Library calls, functions within a program libraries. So library calls 3. 4. Special files. For example, you need to know about device files details, what kind of file it is, what kind of device it is. We are going to get the information from session number 4 for device files. Inside the dev will have the device files, right? So SDA, SDA1, like this device files will have. What is the use of SDA1? What is SDA1? So like this, we can able to find out. Session number 5, file format and conversions. Example, configuration file details. Inside the etc will have the configuration files, right? Directly we should not provide. We need to provide for man 4 and then dev SDA, like this I can give. It will show you. I'll show you. Give me 1 minute, okay? Chinmay. So let's see here. Session number 5, right? Configuration files. Configuration files details. So what is the use of password? What kind of content will have inside the etc password file? etc group file, what kind of content will have, right? Those are all the configuration file details we are going to get. Session number 6, no need to bother, games. 7, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous protocols, packages, HTTP package will have. So what is the use of HTTP? So we are going to get the information related to HTTP package with the help of session number 7. 8, system administrator executable commands, means root user executable commands. 1 normal user executable commands, 8 root user executable command. Session number 9, they introduced to us from 7.0 onwards. We doesn't have the session number 9 in older versions like 6.0, 5.0, 4.0, 3.0, 2.0 version doesn't have session number 9. So they introduced to us session number 9 from 7.0 onwards, RHEL 7.0 onwards. Kernel routines. Right, guys? Kernel related stuff you are going to get. I hope you clear total session number 9 session number. What is the use of? Usually, as an administrator, we are going to bother about session number 1, session number 4 and 5 and 8 and 7. I hope you're clear, guys. Good. Right. Guys, you're very new to this Linux operating system. So because of that reason, what you are thinking, we need to by heart those all the session number like that. No need to by heart. I'll give you one small trick, one technique. With the help of the technique, you are going to get the session numbers related to any resource. Simple. No need to by heart. Session number 1, executable program. Session number 2, system call. Session number 3, library calls. Session number 4, special file. Session number 5, file formats like this. No need to by heart. 7 for miscellaneous, 8 for system admin, like that. Simple. One small option you need to remember. That's it. With the help of that option, easily you are going to get the session numbers related to particular resource. Got it, guys? Help also we are going to get from operating system itself only. And then how to use the help also we are going to get from operating system itself only. So if you are doing like this, if you're following the manual page, not now, in initial stage, after a few days, right? So maybe if you're getting some experience, so you're trying to interacting with Linux operating system, so you become a little bit like one administrator. So at the time, no need to bother about Google, no need to bother about ChatGPT and those all stuff. Everything we are going to get from our operating system itself only. I hope you're clear. Let's see here. Practically we'll discuss, then you can able to understand very clearly. Guys, by default, Better to log in as a root. Okay. Right. By default, if you didn't provide any number, it will take one. Session number 1. Man ls I'm providing, guys. Okay. We didn't provide any session number here. By default, it will take 1. See, guys, ls1. Session number 1. Man default behavior, it will take session number 1. Even if you're providing 1, if you didn't provide the 1. But 1, it's not for all the resources, right? This is not a right way, right? Okay, so normal user executable command details, if you need to get in the sense, no need to provide any session number. But here, I have one command. Actually, maybe it's a command, it's a different file, we don't know. XFS underscore grow fs. What is this? We don't know. Because you are very new to this. Got it, guys? So because this is a one resource, we don't know what kind of resource it is. Whether it is a command or whether it is a file or whether it is a configuration file, whether it is a device file, we don't know, right? Yes, because we are very new to this operating system. Now, how we need to get the proper manual page related to particular resource? So how you are going to get the proper manual page? If you know proper session ID, then you are going to get the proper manual page. Then with the help of the session ID, you can able to understand what kind of resources it is. That's it now, guys. Then how we need to get the session ID? Simple, man. Man hyphen K is an option. K means keyword. Now we are trying, no need to provide the XFS underscore GrowFS entire or just XFS can you. XFS related all the, we didn't get right. So XFS related all the like resources details along with the session ID with short description will get. But here we got error. Nothing appropriate. Super. So error is a very good for us, right? We can able to learn more like aerial ad. Aerial ad, man. Maraka manchidi antaru kada. Aerial ad lo. Avuna kada. Like the same way. Error is a good for us. If you're getting error, means you're going to get the subject. So nothing appropriate error we got. Why we got this? Because in our operating system, manual database, it's not updated properly. So because of that reason, we got nothing appropriate error. We need to update the manual database. Man db is a command. Simple. Guys, no need to bother about internet and those all stuff. Just man db. Without internet also you can execute. Automatically it is going to update. It will take few minutes to update the man database. So how to update the man database? If you're getting nothing appropriate error, how we need to resolve this? Man db is a command. Using man db command, we can able to update the manual databases. But it will take some time. We need to wait few minutes. So after updating this manual database, you can execute man-k XFS. You're going to get the output. Got it, guys? Clear? Right. Right. It got updated successfully. Now we are trying to executing man-k XFS. Then we got output. Clear, guys? Now let's see, guys, here. We have a resource called XFS underscore GrowFS. ID 8. 8 means root user executable commands. I hope you got it, guys. This is a root user executable command. Then how we need to get the manual page related to XFS underscore GrowFS? Proper man 8 XFS underscore grow fs. Then this is a proper manual page related to XFS. What is XFS underscore grow fs and those all stuff we'll discuss in future. Don't worry. For example, I'm saying while we are discussing about disk management concept, at the time I will tell you. Clear, guys? I hope you got it. How we need to get the proper manual session ID, manual page session ID, right? Okay. Sir, even if you're not providing the 8, by default, it's taking 8, sir. Even if you're not providing anything, so by default, it's providing the proper output. Why we need to provide the session IDs like this? People, they're asking. I didn't provide any 8 here. Just man XFS underscore grow fs I have given. Same output we are getting, right? If you're getting same output, why we need to provide the session ID there? Yes, no. Guys, this is not for all the resources. We'll have few resources with same name. For example, we'll have password file as well as password command. Password file also will have. Password command also will have. Let's say I'll tell you. Man -k password is a keyword. See, guys, password keyword related all the commands, all the resources with short description along with the session ID we got, right? If we observe, you'll have password and see, guys, 2 passwords keywords will have, right? But this is 1 and this is 5. 1 is a command, password command to assign the password for user account. Password file, it having the user details. Both are different, right? So you need password file details, man. If you're executing man password, then what will happen? You're going to get the password command details. This is not a right? So we need proper manual page. We require password file manual page. Then how you're going to get? Man file password. Then this is a password file manual page. According to your requirement, you can read. Guys, you can navigate according to your requirement using navigation keys. Small gg, capital G, forward slash to search. Everything you can use. Q to quit from the manual page. We are back to terminal. Q to quit from the manual page. We are back to terminal. I hope you're clear why we need to use proper session ID. So if you're using proper session ID, then only you're going to get the proper manual page related to particular resource. Maybe sometimes if you're not providing the session ID, you are going to get. But maximum normal user executable commands only we are going to get. I hope you're clear, guys. Yes, no. So how we need to get the proper manual page, proper manual session ID for particular resource, right? Now, let's see, guys, man password, right? This is a manual password command details, right, guys? What is a user password command? So how we need to execute, what kind of options will have, everything will have. But this is a soft copy, right? This is a soft copy. So I have some eye problem. I am unable to watch like more than 2 hours into my laptop. Because of that reason, I need to take this out, this manual page into hard copy, printout. Got it, guys? I need to take a printout, guys. I need to take printout. How we need to take a printout? Guys, in terminal, we doesn't have the printout option. Print option we doesn't have in terminal. Then how you are going to take the print? Now this manual page, right, output, we are going to convert into .ps file. .ps means portable document viewer. So PDF will have, right, guys, here in Windows will have PDF, right? PostScript, guys, not portable. PS means PostScript document view, like file. How will have the PDF files in Windows? PDF full form, portable document file. Same like PS in Linux. Got it, guys? We are trying to converting this output into .ps file. .ps file means PDF. In Windows, we are going to call PDF, coming to Linux .ps extension, right? Then how? How we need to convert this output into .ps file? Q to quit, we are back to terminal, right, guys? Q to quit, we are back to terminal. Man -t is an option. Type password is a manual page. Password manual page we need. We are trying to redirecting this password manual page output to any file name you can give. It's not a problem. But extension .ps, your wish, guys, extension. If you want to can give txt, if you want to can give some different extension, but always we need to take a print out, since we are going to convert the content into the PDF file itself only, right? So because of that reason, in Linux, .ps is a PDF file. PostScript document file, right, guys? Then hit enter. Now check the list. See, guys, password.ps file, it got created. I hope you got it, guys. Password.ps file, it got created. Then if you want to can check the file type, how we need to check the file type? Which command? Yes, Chinmay. Which command, Ajit? Which command we need to use to know the type of the file? Very good. File is a command. File is a command, and then provide the file name. See, guys, PostScript document text confirming DSL level 3.0. I hope you got it, guys. Right. Then how we need to open the file? How to open the file? Cat command. Annitki cat hai na? Huh? What happened? What happened, guys, if you're using cat command? Huh? Can you be able to read? Then what we need to do? Then how we need to open the file? Think, less command. What happened? Can you be able to read? Yes, guys. How you are going to open the PDF file in Windows? Are you going to use Notepad to open the PDF file? That is what we need to think, right? Are you going to open the PDF file with Notepad? Are you going to open the file PDF file with the help of WordPad? You are doing same here. How we can able to open? Then what we need to use? Adobe Reader, Acrobat Reader, PDF Reader, right? Like the same way in Linux, we have one command called events, like PDF Reader. Okay. PDF file, .ps file. Go to settings. Then if you're having the printer, you can take the printout. It doesn't have any printer here. Okay. So if you have the printer, if you configure the printer properly, then we can able to take the printout. Like this, we can able to get the hard copy. Right? Okay, guys. This is graphical user interface. Okay. We agree we can able to take the printout using PDF files. But if you're having CLI, then can we able to open the PDF file with the help of events command in CLI? It's not possible. Then how we need to take a print? LP is a command. LP line print, right? LP, then password.ps file name, hyphen capital P means page numbers. According to your requirement, you can provide the page number. How many pages you need to take a print? From second page to fourth page. First page to fourth page. Like this, you can take the print. So we are going to get the error because we don't have printer drivers also even into our operating system. So I hope you're clear, guys, how we need to take a printout. Clear? So this is all about man. So with the help of man, right? So we are going to get the proper manual page. Okay. I'll give one small task to you peoples. I'll ask one question. You need to give the answer. How we need to know the TAR, file details. TAR file details. How we need to know the tar file manual page. How to get the tar file manual page? Man, hyphen K tar. Then man 5 tar. Simple. Any resource details you can like this. Okay, guys. See here. Actually, dev init CTL is a one resource, right? We need to use this command. Because of that reason, there is no manual entry like this. We are getting the error. Chinmay, because of you only just I have executed this. Right? Then 5 will have C. TTY type 5 will have 4 also will have few resources. C 4 RAM 4 device details only na. We should not give dev SDA. We need to provide the device name there. RAM is a command. It doesn't have slash dev SDA command. We have RAM command and random means not command actually. It's a resource. RAM, for example, man 4 RAM. RAM disk device. Then dev RAM. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Chinmay. Find K tar. Not find K tar. Man K tar. Okay. So got it, Chinmay? Clear? Right. So I hope you're clear, guys. So according to your requirement, you can get the manual page related to particular resource. So we have one more concept called redirectors, but it not a time to discuss because we doesn't have much time. Only 5 minutes time we'll have, right? We are unable to complete even if you start. At least I need more than 40 minutes, then only I can able to complete. Okay. So Swapna, every day you are asking same question. Every day I'm saying same question, right? So please try to communicate to Madhureti. So please Try to understand. Try to communicate. Try to contact to Madhureddy. So he's going to help you. Okay. A management means Madhureddy only your admin. He's going to take care. He will state the notes and those all stuff. Okay. Swapna, right? Got it? Right. Okay, guys. So if you're having any doubts, any questions as of now, please. That is what, man. Pujita. Pujita, please try to. Guys, after completing the demos, I will share the link. Until I am unable to share the Google Drive link, let it complete the demos. Maybe hopefully from Monday onwards, you'll have the new link, right? So from Monday onwards, you'll have the new link, and then even Madhureddy, if he didn't share to you, then I'll share you. Definitely Madhureddy, he is going to give the response. Don't worry, right? Monday, maybe. Okay. Got it, Swapna. So if you're having any doubts, I'll share. Okay. Okay. All right. So yes, guys, if you're having any doubts, any questions, please. Guys, I'm asking the doubts to ask from Linux, not to Google Drive link. So those are all the doubts you need to ask to Madhureddy. Yes, 9 days. I think today 10th day, right? 10 days completed. Huh? 9 days videos. Yesterday 9th day, today 10th day only. No? So maximum Monday onwards, like you'll have the new links, right? Yes, guys. I hope you doesn't have any doubts. No doubts. First do the practical session, then you are going to get the doubts. While you are doing practice, then only you are going to get the doubts. Guys, simply if you are listening the session, it's not enough. So you need to do the practice. I said day one itself only. At least 30 minutes every day we need to do the practical sessions. Then only we can able to understand, then only we can able to get the subject. So people they are saying Linux is a critical, but it depends upon us. That's it now. So if you're feeling it's critical, always it will become critical only. If you're feeling it's a very easy, then always you're going to feel easy only. You need to focus on it. Right? Okay, guys. So see you tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So happy weekend, right? So bye. Yeah, welcome, guys. Yeah, I'll copy the history. Right, guys.